Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Icondu. First thing I'm going to do is zoom in so you can see the various parts of the screen. The top portion is where the list categories are. You can choose between work, home, school, kids, general, and all. You can also change those. Say you want to name it Paul, Grant, Blake, Susan's. Any of those can be changed, basically. Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to use Icondu to create a quick list. I'm going to zoom in on the top of the program there, which is your list categories, where you can choose a category to put your task into. For instance, we have it defaulting to work, home, school, kids, general, and then all. So I'm going to choose general. Then I'm going to zoom back out here. Actually, I have some icons in here, so I'm going to actually hit the clear all, get its fresh start. So basically, I'm under general. I'm going to go under automobile heading and say, for instance, I need to get my brakes done on my car. Say I need to get the oil done. Let's see what else here. Let's see, maybe we need to get a car wash. And go on to another heading. Let's go to business. Say I have a business meeting I have to do. Say I have some emails. Let's see what else we have here. Let's go down the list. Emails. Let's just say I have a lunch I have to do with some business partners. Let's go to another heading. Let's go under. Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to quickly create a list using Icondu. First top part of the screen, I'm going to zoom in real quick. Those are your list categories. We have it defaulting to work, home, school, kids, general, and all. Then down here you have your library selectors, main, queue list, and user. The main is what it's set to default to, and that's basically has all of the icons that we ship with it. The little selector wheel you see here is what you use to select the headings. We have a bunch of default headings set for you, and then next to it are the icons here, which I have it on automobile, and then you would choose an icon. So for this illustration, let's just say I need to get my brakes worked on. Let's say I need to get a car wash, and what else here? Let's say I need to get oil done. Go choose another heading, for instance business. Select your icon. So let's just say we have a business meeting to attend to. Say we have to update some of our Craigslist ads. Tap that. Let's just say we have some emails to send out. And what else here? Let's say we have a business lunch we need to go to. Okay, let's go to another heading, for instance children, and let's go through there. Let's say we have to take our kids to daycare. What else here? 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 Let's say we have a little sick one right now. We have to take him to the doctor. Okay, let's go down to another heading. Say, for instance, errands. And again, these are headings that we created. You're free to create your own under the user library, which will allow you to make your own custom set of groups of icons. So under errands, let's say, there's Costco. Say we got to go to the dry cleaner. Let's say we got to get gas. I'll use that one. We have a couple different ones for getting gas. Let's say you need to go to the library. And I don't know about where you're at, but here we have these little boxes called Red Box where you can rent movies. So let's just say I need to get a movie tonight. And let's say I need to go to UPS to drop something off. So let's go to another heading. Let's try exercise. Say we have yoga tonight. Okay, and let's see, let's try another one here. Say we need to go get some money at the ATM. And again, we have we have quite a few different ones that could mean ATM to you. I chose that one. Say we have to balance our checkbook. And let's go under food real quick. Now under food, this is quite an extensive category. So here you could actually use queue list and make a a list that you could use over and over, but let's just say I need to get a couple quick things. So I need to get some apples, and we can scroll that up there. Let's say I need to get some bananas. As you can see, we got quite a bit. Let's say we need some beer. So we need some bread for the kids' lunch. And let's say we need some milk. Milk is down here. These are all alphabetical. And, or let's say we need some eggs here. You can see them populating there on that side. And where's my milk here? Keep going. Right there. Okay, and actually Valentine's Day is coming up here, so let's just say we want to put something in there to remind us, and we want to set a date. We want to send some flowers, and let's go ahead and throw the Valentine's in there. And let's see, what about sports? We have quite a bit under there. My son plays basketball, so I'll just hit that, and got that set. So basically that is all you have to do to create a quick list. Now, this side of the inbox is all of your tasks that need to get done, or that you would like to get done. Now let's just say, for instance, your business meeting, you want to add some details to it, a certain time, that type of thing. You double tap the business icon, which, let me zoom in here a little bit, brings you into your details screen. Now, at the top, you have your icon text descriptor, which is the icon name, the text that goes beneath the icon. So if I tap in there, I can actually change, there we go, the name of the icon. If I don't want it to say business meeting, I can change it to whatever I want. I can change the list category. Instead of general, I can put it under work and categorize it that way. I can set a time, so let's just say it's going to be tomorrow, or let's just say the 23rd at 1:30 p.m. So I use the wheels to select my date, my time, and AM or PM, hit done, and now it populates a time in there, and you'll see what happens in a minute. You can also set an end time if you want. If for any reason I don't want to set the time, I can hit the reset button, and it'll take the time back off of it. You can set a reminder. This is basically for using your alerts. So if I want to be reminded about this meeting 30 minutes beforehand, you tap that, hit done. I can tap on reminder and say lunch. There we go. And now turn the reminder on, turn the alert on, choose my sound. And that will be what you hear 30 minutes before it's time for that appointment. Also, the reminder will pop up saying lunch. I can set a priority, low, medium, or high, or none. And these are color coded. I'm going to just put it as a medium priority. Hit done. You go down here and you can actually add phone number, email addresses, website addresses, the address of where you're going if you want, or the address of the person, street, city, state, zip. You can add a currency field for people that want to track, say you're a wedding planner or something and you want to keep track of the amount of the budget for each item, so you can do that. And you have a notes field, so you can add 2 different sets of notes in here for whatever you want, all types of information. Now, if you're done there, you hit save. And now, I'm going to go to all. It puts that icon over on the left side. The reason it does that is because now it has a time specified to it, and it is something that is set basically by date and time. So again, right side is for things that just need to get done. Left side is for things that have time specific details for them. Let me do another one real quick. Let's just say we have a break and we have to go at 12:30 to drop our car off. We hit done, and let's just say the phone number to the place okay, and hit save. And again, that puts it over on the left side as well. Now notice it has a little red D next to that one. The reason that has a D on it is because that designates that it has details in it other than just a time and a date. For instance, notes, who you delegated a task to, an address, a phone number, that type of thing. The other icon does not have that because we did not add any of those type of details. We just set a priority and we just set a time and a date for it. So basically, that's it. If you want to create a quick list and that's all you need to do, I mean, you are basically 100% done. So as you keep doing that, to these icons, they'll keep transferring over to this side, and you will have your time allotted task here and just things that have to get done on this side. And both windows are scrollable, so you can just keep scrolling and see what needs to be done. Now, right now we are in the create view. You have a view mode and a create view mode, or create mode. So that is what we're viewing. Basically, when you're done here, you can actually go to view mode, and you would go and you have a option to view list, day, week, and month. Now, one more thing I want to show you real quick. Let's just say that there is not an icon that you like in the library, and you just want to create a quick list based on just text. You would hit this text mode. At the top of the screen, it has text mode descriptor. So you would put in here what your task actually is. There we go. So take car to shop. And then you would give the icon a name. Otherwise, it's just going to say T. So we can put car repair. And hit save. So now you see it has a T icon and it says car repair. Now that is just a generic text descriptor. There's not a picture for it. There's not anything that you've found, or you didn't care to look for something that would relate to that task. So that's what you do. Now let's just say you have, for instance, this car wash, and this is a really neat feature. Go down here where it says change icon to photo. Let me zoom in on that so you can see that. Right here. Tap that, and now it pulls up your photo library. So what this allows me to do is actually go in and customize any icon, or create my own custom icons with my own pictures. So let's just say I want to use a picture of my Lamborghini or my Ferrari. I hit that, and now that icon is now switched to my car. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Now, again, this helps to personalize the icons and jog your memory. So they're going to be related to your particular things and belongings, people, friends, places that mean something to you. This is where the power of Icondu really comes into effect, and you can see that now you could have icons for your kids, for all the places you go to, for your doctor, your friends, all that stuff. So nice feature to have in there. Again, I'll go into another video where we show you how to create your own custom set of icons in this user library. Right now, if I go to user, the only one that's in there is this. I will show you how to create your own headings, your own set of icons, and those will be permanently available to you, so you can use those instead of using the ones that are in the main library. So again, that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll go into showing how to do the settings, the options that you have there, how to create a queue list, and also how to create your own user customized list of icons. Thanks for watching.